Yes. Let's take it.
So since we are talking about Ayya, so what really makes you say Ayya?
I think जब भी मैं कोई भी खूबसूरत चीज देखती हूँ तो मेरे मुंह से निकल जाता है अय्या कितना खूबसूरत है.
I believe the character is a big fan of Madhuri, Juhi and Sridevi. There is no loyal crush.
Actually, Sachin, who's the director of my film, he's a huge Hindi film buff right from childhood, and it was his idea that he wants to pay a tribute to all the people who he's grown up admiring and kind of idolizing. So in Sawa Dollar song, there is Yash Ji, there is Karan, there is Sachin Tendulkar, there is Amit Uncle and Rekha's on-screen jodis mentioned. These are all the things that Sachin has loved growing up. And of course, he's been a huge fan of Juhi, Madhuri and Shri Devi. So when he discussed this idea with me, I told him that Sachin, it's unbelievable that even I am similarly fans of theirs, because even I have grown up loving Shri Ji, Madhuri Ji and Juhi Ji. So it was a great fix. And I think because the fit was so good that we both were such huge fans that it just came out, very, very naturally of, selecting those songs that we loved of theirs and we paid a tribute to them.
Rani, how's the experience of learning Marathi? And if you could hear some lines from you.
Actually, being a Mumbaikar, I'm born and brought up in Maharashtra. And it's very strange that all my life, whenever I've gone outside Maharashtra, I've always said that I'm actually a Maharashtrian girl. Because I'm born and brought up in Maharashtra. And being a Mumbaikar, Marathi language is not alien to me. So I've kind of spoken broken Marathi around people who have been my friends or people who have worked for me. And it was my dream or my wish that someday I should play a Marathi girl's role. And with Ayya, this dream come true of mine is happening. And I feel really happy that I've got an opportunity to play Meenakshi Deshpande and actually play a girl who's completely whacked out, a crazy girl who lives her life in her reality and in her dreams, and she's completely wacko.
So does she resemble the real Rani?
I think quite close to her.
We've never seen you do such wacky song and dance numbers, but you seem quite a natural at it, I must say. So what is like a what to always do such numbers?
No, actually, my fans always have told me that Rani, you dance so well, why don't you do more of the songs and dance routine in films? And fortunately or unfortunately, I think the last time I really danced heavily was in Bunty or Bubbly, in the song Dhadak Dhadak. But I think the kind of scripts I choose or the kind of films I do, there is not much scope in doing many dance numbers. But in Ayya, I think मैंने पूरी कसर पूरी कर दी, because एक ही फिल्म में 3 अलग-अलग kind of dances plus 3 अलग flavor के गाने. So I think I've made my fans happy in that sense that I've done all 3 different kind of songs. And personally, I've really had a blast doing this because I love dancing, and I've just enjoyed every form of dance that I've done, right from Lavani, because that's a special dance style that you have to adapt a special style to do Lavani. It has a lot of attitude. Also the Dream Up Wake Up number where I'm completely doing the Tollywood Tadka, that style, which I absolutely love. And of course, I've learned belly dancing for Agabai Halla Machaire. So I think all the 3 numbers are somewhere very close to my heart, and the songs are so good that personally they are my favorites. So I've just had a blast.
Rani, you've been a part of Indian cinema for a very long time, but we just made it to the Oscars. How do you feel about it?
I feel very happy that a lot of my films also made it to the Oscars. But the fact is that now we need to see our films making it to the top 5.
Okay,
Thank you.
one second. How important is Ayya's success?
See, for me, any of my film's success is very important. I think we actors always thrive on the fact that we do a particular film so that when the film releases, people appreciate it, critics appreciate it, and around universally the film is accepted. So I think with all my films, the only aspiration I have is that they should do well, and it should make a mark in the audience's heart, in their mind, and that the film is remembered for years to come.
Thank you.
Thank you.